to Crash IQ. In today's video, we will take a look at several road incidents and analyze what went wrong in each situation. We start the video with a terrible crash. He tries to regain control of the car, but in the turn he loses it completely and flies off the road at high speed. There's not much else to say. I just hope the driver survives this horrible accident without serious injuries. Watch the black Jeep. One of the wheels suddenly comes off. Luckily, the driver keeps control and safely moves off the road in time. Before driving, always check the conditions of all four tires. Watch the white arrow. It's true that the vehicles already inside the roundabout have priority, but look at the speed of the red car entering it. The silver car should have yielded, but I also can justify the way the red car was driving. Here we see the red Toyota pulling out of a parking space. Unfortunately, he chose a very bad moment to do it. In situations like this, always use your mirrors to check if someone is behind you. This is especially important when entering a new lane. Never do what the Kia driver is doing. He has a red light, yet still forces his ways off, putting both himself and others in danger. At intersections, following traffic lights is extremely important. The red car attempts to overtake, but as soon as he returns to his lane, the car loses grip and slides off the road. In icy conditions like this, overtaking is extremely dangerous because no one is fully in control on snow and ice. Always use winter tires and respect the speed limit on snowy roads. Watch the white car carefully. In this situation, our driver should have been allowed to finish the maneuver first. After that, the white car could have entered the main road safely. Another crash at the traffic lights. The white car is badly damaged because the silver car runs a red light. At intersections, always obey traffic lights, and if there are no lights, follow the rules of main and side roads. Wait for the Toyota. He enters the turn at excessive speed and crashes into a car in the opposite lane. In turns like this, you should always slow down because visibility is limited. At the same time, staying in your own lane is very important. Hopefully, the driver of the white car who was simply waiting at the light was not hurt. Many of you were probably waiting for a clip like this. The BMW is weaving south traffic at high speed on the highway. He loses control and starts sliding, but luckily managed to regain control without hurting anyone. Behavior like this is completely unacceptable, especially on public roads. If you want to drive like this, use proper racing tracks that can be rented safely. Our driver is entering the main road from a side road. It's true that he had the duty to yield and should have been more careful. However, the red car also had the responsibility to keep the headlights on at midnight. We have already seen a moment like this before. The white car loses a front wheel on the highway. Always make sure all the lug nuts are properly tightened so you don't end up in situations like this. Here we see the black BMW entering the turn too fast. The road is far too narrow for that kind of speed. In situations like this, always reduce your speed as much as possible and take the corner safely. In residential areas, stay cautious and respect the speed limits. Pedestrians can appear at any moment, so driver must always be prepared. In this clip, we also see a pedestrian who is partly responsible for the situation. The cars have a green light, but driver must still give way to pedestrians whenever possible. That's exactly what the black Nissan was trying to do before getting rear-ended. The pedestrian also seems to realize the mistake afterward. On the highway, the black Jeep tries to squeeze between two cars, causing a massive crash. Highway traffic moves at high speed, so extra caution is always necessary. To avoid these accidents, the Jeep should have waited and used the left lane, which is meant for faster traffic. In this clip, we see the white Jeep attempting an overtake, but it goes badly wrong. This is a very similar situation to the previous clip. Before driving on the highway, every driver should understand and follow highway rules. Here we see our driver crash into a stopped vehicle on the highway. More attention was needed in this situation. This accident could likely have been avoided if our driver had been more focused. The black car crosses into the opposite lane and crashes into our driver. At first glance, this may look like a simple mistake, but situations like this happen far too often in everyday traffic. The grey Ford is trying to leave the parking area and enter the main road. Even so, no crash happened. This should still serve as a warning. When pulling out of parking, always choose a safe moment when the road is clear. Here we see the girls in the grey Nissan trying to have fun. We have already seen similar crashes in this video caused by waving soft traffic. Luckily, no one was hurt, but this should be a reminder to respect the speed limit while driving in the city. Pay attention to the road markings. From the right lane, you are only allowed to turn right. The white Infiniti tries to overtake instead, which ends in a crash. He could have continued forward only if he had moved in behind our driver first. Many of you watching may not have a driver license yet, so let's go over one of the simple traffic rules. Red means stop, yellow means get ready, and green means go. Every driver should know this rule. Here, the black BMW was supposed to reverse and let the other car pass. Instead, he failed to do it properly and crashed into a parked vehicle. Reversing is not easy for everyone. It takes practice. When backing up, use all three mirrors and move slowly. We finished the video with the driver of the red car ignoring the traffic lights and running a red signal. Luckily, no crash happened because our driver was paying attention. So stay alert, be ready for situations like this, and most importantly, keep your speed under control. Drive safely, always stay alert on the road, and I will see you in the next video.